Good morning, everyone. Our Taste Buds subscription is here, and I'm going to unbox it live. And comment below after I show you all the recipes and let me know which of these is your favorite recipe for the month, and I will pick one winner that gets a spice packet, a Taste Bud spice packet, and the recipe with it, okay? So if you're watching live, comment live. If you're watching replay, comment replay, but let's unbox the Taste Buds together. I'm a little late to the game. I'm really bad at unboxing right now. I have like 5 boxes here that I haven't even opened. So if you're new to the show, Taste Buds is a monthly subscription. It's $24 a month. That's available through Pampered Chef. You can check it in the link tree in my bio. And you get 3 spice packets or meal mixes and some recipes, like 10 recipes or so to do with that, okay? So as you're popping in, comment live. Let me make sure I'm in the right, okay, yep, I'm in the right place. Okay, and like I said, comment below with your favorite recipe out of these 3, and I'll give one away, okay? All right, so the theme, oh, I love this theme. I love this theme because our team just built a whole workshop around this. So takeout favorites made at home is the theme of this Taste Buds. Every Taste Buds has a different theme every single month, and this is great because right now prices are insane for going out to eat groceries. So, if you can save some money by eating at home, that's definitely really, really good, right? So I guess that's my question, right? How often do you eat out and how many times do you cook at home to save a little bit on that budget? I have a little weird hair here. So anyway, so those are that's the theme for the month. So let's check it out and see what recipes there are. Oh, this one looks really good. I'm actually going to make one of them today too. So as you're popping in, comment with your favorite and I'll give one away. Okay, so recipe number 1 is steak quesarito with the chipotle rub. So that would be, this one. Oh, this one makes a really good dip too. If you mix this with some Greek yogurt or some sour cream, some mayonnaise, it's really good as a dip with chips too. So the chipotle steak quesarito is the first recipe combo. So let me know if you would vote for this one. Or number 2 is, oh my God, I just had this the other day. It was so good. So this is our new pad thai meal mix. So good. And you can make so many things with this. But it comes with the Thai chicken lettuce wrap. So this seems like a pretty clean, healthy recipe. So that may be your choice. I would maybe add some rice or something, but whatever. So you get the point. But this is really good. I don't know who saw me make the pad thai. I've never made pad thai. I definitely failed at the rice noodles. So I'm going to try a different brand, but it's all good. So that's recipe number 2. So let me know if that interests you the most. And the third one, can never go wrong with burgers, is blue cheese burgers with caramelized onions. Blue cheese burgers. It must be filled with blue cheese, if I had to guess. Oh, it's a blue cheese spread. That sounds good. And, oh, this is one of my, I keep saying favorite, but this is one of my favorite seasonings that we have. It's a crushed peppercorn and garlic. It goes on anything. Anytime I don't know what to put on, this is the one. And you get more spices than you need for the recipe, so you have some left over as well. Okay, so vote for your favorite and I will pick a winner and I'll send you a Taste Buds spice packet and a recipe. Okay, so do you vote for the blue cheese burgers? Do you vote for the Thai chicken lettuce wraps, or do you vote for the steak quesarito? Which one is it gonna be? Hi Michelle, hello, hi Lisa. So vote for one of these. I will actually be cooking one of them today. I have to think about, maybe I'll cook the one you pick. I don't know if I have that much time. I gotta go order groceries. But let me know which one you would pick and I'll do a winner. But in case you're new, Taste Buds is a subscription you can get with Pampered Chef. It's $24 a month. You can check the link tree in my bio. You can cancel at any time. And as a Taste Buds subscriber, you're part of the Taste Buds Hub and the club. So you once a month have access to certain products that ship for free. It's like a marketplace. You can add on seasonings, pantry items, and stuff like that. Okay. And if you've watched up until now, my team is doing a big workshop to teach people how to save money by cooking at home. So how to make your own peanut butter, how to make your own bread, how to make your own mayonnaise. So if you want in on that, comment workshop so I can make sure I get you the invite out because it does start today. All right. So vote for your favorite and make it a great day. And yeah, check out my stories because I'll be cooking one of them live later today. All right. Ciao, ciao.